Now, when you're in the user client and creating a new component or editing the configuration of a component, there is the possibility to enter additional information about the component. This can be done here in master data. These labels are preset and apply to all components. You can use the preset labels, customer, project, country, and so on. Or you can rename them according to the information you want to assign. Before we go to the admin client to rename the labels, there are a few things you might want to consider. First of all, you need to remember that the renamed labels will be applied to all components, including all existing components. And that might be an important consideration if you're already using these labels. So, any new label names should be applicable to all components, old or new. Another thing worth remembering here, and this is a general point and not directly to do with renaming, is that the information entered in any of these fields here will be visible to all users with read rights for the component. Okay, let's go to the admin client and the component type editor module. Now click on the button Edit Labels. Here we can rename the labels, and there are 10 of them. And this is what will be seen in the master data field in the user client. We could change the label 1, for example, to serial number, and label 2 to production line, label 3 supervisor, for the person responsible for the device, for example, and so on. Here's an important point. If you use versiondog in more than one language, you will need to use this drop-down to rename the labels in all the other languages you use. Otherwise, users in the other languages will see the original labels, and that would be a bit confusing. So when we've finished, we click on OK, go back to the user client. In Extras, click on Update from Server, and then you'll see the new label names, as will all users with read rights for the component. And although users with write rights for the component cannot change the label names, they can edit the information.